Hello and welcome to this video. We'll be discussing key performance indicators or KPIs in digital marketing. KPIs are essential metrics that helps us measure the success of our marketing campaigns and determine if they are meeting our goals. In this video, we'll discuss how to use and evaluate key performance indicators for a marketing campaign. Let's begin.
Digital marketing KPIs or key performance indicators are quantifiable goals that help you to track and measure success. The first step in using KPIs is identifying the goals of our marketing campaign. What do we want to achieve from our efforts? Is it increased website traffic, more conversions, or higher brand awareness? Once we have a clear understanding of our goals, we can move on to the next step. The most important part of setting a digital marketing KPI is choosing what to measure. Often KPIs are connected to a conversion. For example, if we want to increase website traffic, we might look at metrics such as the number of visits, bounce rate, pages per session, or average session duration. If our goal is to generate more conversions, we might look at the conversion rate, the number of leads generated, or the cost per conversion. And if we want to increase brand awareness, we might look at engagement metrics such as shares, likes, comments, or engagement rate on social media. What should you measure? Quantifiable metrics which align with the goals of your organization. These will often be sales or leads. What you shouldn't measure. Things you can't impact, like vanity metrics. If you can't change it, there is no point in it being a KPI. Some KPIs should be channel specific, and others will relate to overall business goals. Many organizations will need KPIs of both types in order to measure both channel performance and the impact this has on overall goals. You can fix your KPIs or you can fix your budget. They can't both be fixed. Here is an example. Your boss asked for 20 conversions with a spend of 500 rupees, but your target keywords cost 5 rupees at click and the site has a 4% conversion rate. In this situation, you would set a KPI of around 4 conversions for this spend. You could also ask your boss if they would be willing to increase the spend to 2,500 rupees in order to bring in 20 conversions they originally asked for. All KPIs should be smart. It's very easy for different people to have different interpretations of a goal, even when it seems as ambiguous as a quantified KPI. Aligning KPIs through the funnel. This method is great as it allows you to easily measure KPIs all the way through the funnel rather than just focusing on conversions. Tracking data, measuring your digital marketing KPIs. Once we have selected our KPIs, it's time to start tracking the data. There are several tools we can use together and track data, such as Google Analytics, Google Ads, or social media analytics. These tools can help us keep track of our KPIs over time and see how our marketing efforts are impacting our goals. Finally, based on our results, we can optimize our marketing efforts to increase success. This might mean making changes to our campaigns, adjusting our target audience, or trying different tactics. The important thing is to continuously track and evaluate our KPIs and make changes as needed to reach our goals. By using and evaluating KPIs, we can ensure that our marketing efforts are successful in achieving our goals. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.